What's up, everybody? It's your host of the Most Boulevard Brands. We out here today with this fucking unexpected unboxing. We got Eliana in the background shit.
We out here.
Yeah, alright, so let's get it. Let's get it. Oh shit. I'll look at that later.
This is Supreme.
It's a Supreme bag, but what's in the bag? Yeah. We got that fucking season 17 Supreme bucket hat and the coral peach. I'm gonna unds it in front of your eyes. Yeah, so you got that Supreme tag. Do you wear this? Which way is it?
The other way, dumb. You're a dumb asshole.
Backwards, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's just backwards. We out here.
Huh.
We out here. We're trapping hard.
Okay. Unds in front of your eyes. Alright, well that's it. Later.